So I thought when I stopped selling at that store that there'd be a lot of people bringing in their product and the shelves would fill up, and all the power to them. But I've noticed there's barely anything there. And so I asked the produce manager, I said, what's going on? And he explained to me what I kind of knew, and it was part of the reason why I got out when I did. But it was the GAP certification thing. So all these corporate stores have been bought out by another big corporation in British Columbia called Pattison Group. They bought out the Choices and Nesters chains under the Bilo Foods brand. And they've amalgamated everything into these centralized policies, which is, really shitty for local growers, because now they're going to, it's going to be harder and harder to get local product at these stores. And so